Installing a timing belt back in G35. Seen lots of videos where people do it clockwise for whatever reason. I do it counterclockwise, which means pretty much you mount your tensioner, everything pretty much goes in, and you start from here, wrap it around, make sure there's tension. The belt's got little things that it'll stay in, make sure that it goes in that, and pretty much wrap it around. And the last step is the tensioner side, which everything's lined up, it pretty much slides right over. I've seen some people unbolt the tensioner, unbolt the tensioner pulley, and then put the belt over and put everything back. I'm sure people got different ways of putting it. This is the way I've been doing it, and it's been working for me. Pretty much tensioners on. You can see the pin's not pulled, obviously, for slack. But wrap it around this way. If everything's lined up, the belt just slips right over. And that's it. Just put the pin, put a pulley on, rotate it a couple times. I don't mark the belts themselves because those never line up. Even if you rotate it, I think it will take like 50 rotations for it to come back around. As long as the cam lines up with that mark, both cams, and there's a mark on the crank. As long as they're lined up, belt goes on, tensions everywhere, you're good to go. Hopefully maybe it'll help somebody out. Thanks.